Hello everyone! Today I want to show you the hidden measuring tool in Unreal Engine. It's very simple. You can go to top view, for example. You can go to every other view, but I'll go to top view and I zoom in and I want to measure, for example, this distance. Press the middle mouse button and drag it. So you see that's showing like 397 something. What is that? You can see if that's centimeter, kilometer or meter when you go to the editor preference, viewports and measuring to units. Here you can change. I have, for example, now the measuring units in centimeter, but you can use meter or kilometer, how you like to. You can also using the measuring tool in the other perspective, like left, for example. It's working on the same way. So that was everything for today. I wish you a nice day.